Giniit naman ng depensa may blessing ng palasyo ang Physical and Financial Plan ng OVP. Pero tinutulan ng prosekusyon ang pagtatanong ng abogado ng bise sa cross-examination. Alamin kung bakit sa agenda report ni Dexter Ganibe.
Total, 125.
Aprobado ng Malacanang ang Physical and Financial Plan o PFP ng Office of the Vice President para sa 2022. Yan ang ipinunto ng defense team sa isinagawang cross-examination kay Gina Acosta na dating Special Disbursing Officer ng OVP.
The OVP submitted a Physical and Financial Plan to the Department of Budget and Management, correct? For
Opo.
2022? Are you aware?
Nag-submit po ang OBP ng Physical and Financial Plan na required po sa DBM.
Ito pong Physical and Financial Plan is in support of the OVP's request for confidential funds noong 2022.
Opo.
And the PFP, which the OVP submitted to the Department of Budget and Management, is also based on the Good Governance Program of the OVP, correct?
Wala ko ka-get sa question ni mo, Your Honor.
Yung po bang Physical and Financial Plan na sinubmit ng OVP sa Department of Budget and Management, nakabase rin po ba sa Good Governance Program ng OVP?
Opo, Your Honor.
At matapos pong isubmit ang nasabing Physical and Financial Plan, tama po ba na the Department of Budget and Management recommended the approval of the confidential funds to the Office of the President?
Opo, Your Honor.
And the Office of the President, through the Executive Secretary, approved the Office of the Vice President's request for confidential funds.
Tinutulan ng prosekusyon ang pagtatanong ni Atty. Baquel dahil hindi naman daw ito kasama sa mga natalakay sa direct examination. Pero niligwak ni Presiding Officer Francis Chis Escudero ang objection ni Private Prosecutor Atty. Virgil Ligutan. In-establish din ng depensa na ang kaparehong proseso ng pag-disburse ng confidential fund ng OVP ay siya ring mekanismo na ginamit o pinatupad noon ng siya rin ang SDO ng Office of the Mayor ng Davao City, ng Mayor pa si VP Sara mula 2018 hanggang 2022.
When you were SDO of Davao City, there is no audit observation memorandum issued by the Commission on Audit against you, correct?
Wala po.
And when you were SDO of Davao City, there is no audit observation memorandum issued by the Commission on Audit against then Mayor Sara Duterte, correct?
Wala po.
There's likewise no notice of suspension issued by the Commission on Audit against you, correct? When you were
Wala.
and there's no notice of suspension issued against then Mayor Sara Duterte, correct?
Wala po.
Wala rin pong notice of disallowance
Wala po.
laban sa inyo, wala po.
Wala po, Your
Wala rin
Honor.
pong notice of disallowance laban sa kay dating Mayor Sara Duterte, tama po?
Tama po, wala.
Binigyang diin din ni Atty. Baquel na bilang SDO, wala namang nakalagay sa Joint Memorandum Circular ng COA na dapat meron siyang alam sa confidential activities at required kung may background ba ito sa law enforcement. Bilang SDO, wala rin siyang access sa confidential operations ng OVP. Walang access sa mga confidential info at wala siyang security clearance sa mga confidential information.
Wala po
Para
kayong
sa agenda,
military background.
Dexter Ganibe, Billionaire News
May
Channel.
law enforcement.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionaire News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga eksklusibong balita at storya.